Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnees with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. I wonder, should I go or should I stay? The band had only one more song to play, and then I saw you out the corner of my eye, a little girl long and so shy. I had the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever, but the love we had was going strong. Through the good and bad we get along, and then the flame of love died in your eyes. My heart broke in two when you said goodbye. I had the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever. It's over now, nothing left to say, just my tears and orchestra play. La 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 la. I had the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever. La 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 la. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they are back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Oh. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was sounds of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Ever sha-la-la-la, ever whoa, still shines. Ever shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Ever sha-la-la-la, ever whoa, still shines. Ever shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. Ever sha-la-la-la, ever whoa, still shines.